and welcome to the year-long Christmas collaboration hosted by myself and Leslie Bromfield. So us and some fellow crafters have been crafting Christmas all year long following a prompt of the month, and we'll upload those on the 25th of each month. So we're coming towards the end. We are in October and the prompt this time was Snowman. So I don't actually have very much in terms of snowman, and I decided to go ahead and create my own snowman. So what I have made is a gorgeous little shaker easel card. So this is the card when it is flat. I've made this by just cutting out some of my circle dies. So I've actually laid them up 6 times with the cardstock. So this is white cardstock. So I cut out 2 round circles. So I did one big one small one, and then I cut the acetate in this circle, and then I just lined up some of the nesting ones, the ones in between, so I could create the outer layers. And I cut out a top piece to go over the acetate in white foam, and then the rest are all cut out in the white cardstock, and then I just glued them to create the thickness for making a shaker. So it's absolutely full of this gorgeous mix that I created. I used I think 2 of the ones I got from Sam H2H Crafter. She sells sequin mixers, so I used 2 of them, and I mixed in a little bit of something I had left over from another mix to create that Christmas mix in there with the purples and the gorgeous pink snowflakes. And then I just created a scarf using some of this pink, light pink textured cardstock, a little orange nose, and then I used these enamel dots I got from Hobbycraft. So I've got black and purple there for eyes and these buttons. And then I just created a little mouth using a circle punch, and I just cut this with my scissors on some cardstock and just popped this up on foam, and I did a little ribbon and this gorgeous little star, holographic star there. Like I said, it's an easel card, so it just lifts up like so, and then it's just got a little stopper here, which is just a little sentiment I got from Winter Wonderland Doodlebug collection, saying snow happy together, because I love a pun. And then I just added again some holographic stars and another little enamel dot. So you sit sort of like that. If I can show you, it'll probably fall over. And what's really cool, because I have laid up using cardstock instead of foam, we end up with the inside part. So these are like the inner layers. So I've actually double stuck these, so these are really, really solid. So I ended up with 6 of these and 6 of them. So they're doubled up, so there's 2 there. So I'm going to actually go and make some more snowmen, and I could probably turn these into tags as well, or for more cards. So nothing really goes to waste whilst while you're doing that. And then also I have, you know, the foam part also. But this is my little shaker snowman. I really love how he turned out. He's really fun, and just goes to show that if you don't have, you know, something, it doesn't mean you can't make something. You know, I just had these nesting circle dies and was able to create a snowman. So thanks for watching. Please do go check out all the other ladies in this collaboration. They're so inspiring and creative as well, and I will see you all again soon. Take care, bye.